So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to lift wrist to wake screen on your Fitbit Versa 4. So this is a setting that you can either enable or disable in the settings. Now, if for some reason when you turn your wrist like this or lift your wrist, your screen does not come on, it means you have that setting turned off. To turn it on, there are two ways to do it. There's a shortcut when you slide down from the top of the screen. This icon right here, this one with a watch and something on the side. If you turn that on, it says button only. Now, when you enable that, from now on, when your screen is off and you turn your wrist, it's not going to turn on unless you press the button on the side, okay? But when you disable that, that basically means you now have the option for lift wrist to wake up screen, okay? So make sure this is turned off. If it's turned on like that, then turning your wrist will not wake up the screen. So make sure that is turned off. Another way you can do this, another way you can enable or disable is slide down and go to settings. On the settings page, go to display. Under display, you can scroll down to screen wake, okay? And right now it's set to button and motion, which means either the button or the wrist motion can wake up the screen. If you want to turn that wrist to wake option, you can set it to button only, okay? So once you do that, then when the screen is off, nothing happens, okay? When it's like that and your screen is off, then that happens, okay? So thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.